Now I'm going for Damblur Aryan Suzuki Bike Zone's inauguration of the branch on the first floor. So I have set up the camera now. So what I've basically done is I have connected a different TRS cable to the GoPro and the receiver, so that I can get a better video angle, and mic is anyways connected, so obviously the voice recording, audio recording should be good enough. So let's see how it goes. No need to fill up fuel also, and check the air as well as check the air and then start. So let's see how it goes. Oh no, already 1 hour late. It was supposed to be 5 o'clock. Told them I'll reach around 5, after 5:30. It's already 6. So let's see how it goes. So I'm trying to record. It should be hopefully better now. I've ordered for a shorter TRS cable, so that should look better. It will not look awkward. Now this is little big. So it might be looking as if it is hanging in front of the helmet, but that should be solved once I get my shorter TRS cable. I think I should receive it by Saturday. So today is Thursday, another Saturday, Friday, Saturday, 2 days I should receive it. So some traffic here. Let me switch it off. This isn't okay. This is UR satellite. UR satellite center ISR signal. Hopefully it should be good. Recording. Let me see. Back to now. I'm in Diamond District near Kodihalli, approaching Damblur flyover, and from there I will take a right so that I can, otherwise it is one way if I go, so then I'll have to make a bigger U-turn to the Air Force Hospital and all. So I will just go. Or I think I'll go straight. What is wrong? Can take a U-turn near Air Force Hospital, come back. That's also nice. Chalo, let's go. But I'm getting stuck in 2-3 traffics. Hopefully this view should be good. Let me see. First it was sorry. So I reached Aryan Suzuki now. Let's see how I'll park it. I don't know. Hello sir, sorry late ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲ, ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. So this is the showroom, first floor inauguration, Aryan Suzuki Damblur showroom. The inauguration is done. So some bikes here, you can see GSA 1250. Fine sir, thank you. See you. Bye. Where you park the bike? Here. Okay. See you then. Bye. Bye. So let's see now. Let's go through Indanagar and then we'll take maybe Kolar route and see today. Now I think my voice should record well. So too much of traffic here. Let me see how much I can cover. I think this should be good enough. I should be recording good, no problem. I don't know whether I can make it. Let me see. Much of traffic here. So let's see. Recording is happening. Today, let me have a good ride. Let me see. This is on 100 feet road, Indira Nagar. This is the first signal. Let's see. Now this is 100 feet road, Indira Nagar. Now you can see so much of traffic here. Evening time. It's 5th Thursday, 5th of September 2024. So it's a commercial area. So you can see all the brands here. You need not go anywhere else in Bangalore for shopping. You get everything under the sun. We are just 1.5 kilometers from my home in Murugesh Palya. This is Indira Nagar 100 feet road. So I think we should cross this, reach Old Madras Road and take the Kyarpuram flyover, and then let's see from Hoskote outer if we can do the satellite ring road, and then through the eventually come back. Let's see. I'll do that ride today. The fuel is full. Air is also put. Air pressures are also checked. Bike is in good condition. Let's see. Raja Rajanindra Raja Puja Sukade Vinayandam Puja. So you can see Indira Nagar Methodist Church, Helios. Aridhi, Aridhi, Anadi. Raja, Raja, the Raja, Raja. So, Ayadi Rajananda Raja Puja Uka de Beringum Guja Neja Raja Uda Beringum Guja Raja Between the night Raja Hotel So this is 100 feet road. You can see all the brand fans art. From here I got my two fans, luxury fans art. Okay. Do Karachi Bakery, Indira Nagar. Honda Big Wing. So this is for premium bikes, Transalp, and I think even Africa Twin will come here. Puve Sindura Puve. Engine Munge, engine Munge, and Salam. Sindura Puve. Lenskart Monte Carlo showroom there. Engine got engine நீதென்று சொல்லாம about Stewart Bridge. Approaching Stewart Bridge. I think this view should be good. So I've got onto the flyover now, entrance. So hopefully this should be a good ride. Let's see. Shouldn't be a problem. Hopefully traffic should not be bad on the flyover at least. Space to ride. Think it's good. Chalo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, last time it was really bad when I came this way before the Lakshmi Puja. Now luckily traffic is moving. Oh my God, luckily it's moving. Come on, come on. Aragana Manjapura, Adapura Marapura, Siyada Yodipura, Avada Ananda Gulananda Gulwan Bengal Pesum, Aragana Manjapura, Ramura Alapura. Oh. Adi Shahjahan again traffic. Let's see how much I can go. I have a doubt. shortcut traffic should be a flyover is getting over Kerpuram Staver flyover bridge. So again, kind of a jam, or is it because this one vehicle is creating all the jam? I think it is free. This traffic is not good. Okay. Now trying to record, I think. Okay, it should do justice now. So a lot of apartments here. I am on the flyover. So towards Hoskote. I think recording should be good enough. Can see the view. I don't know. Apartment Apple City. Nice logo. So this is a nice view. Oh. Hoskote has become part of the city now. It's not outskirts. Earlier it was outskirts, now it is part of the city. Chittoor Kolar Whitefield. We will take a deviation now. With 34%, only 34% battery is left. So let's make a dash on the satellite ring road. Complete the ride. Okay. So hopefully you who should be good, and the voice also should be recording well. Okay. Now let's make a dash. It's 29:47. Let's see how many kilometers it's off. Take off. So I started on Satellite Ring Road. After going for a rake. Now let's see how it records, and let's complete our ride. Maybe make it 3,000 kilometers by the time I reach home. So heading towards Satellite Ring Road. Maybe we will find some lorry traffic, but that's okay. Moreover, the stretch would be free. So I got onto the Satellite Ring Road. Now let's clip it. Wow. Lorry ahead of me. To get out of them. I'm in second gear now. Full power mode, A mode. Yes, now the wide road is open. Let's kick it again. Clip it. Oh my God, lovely. Oh, I think the pure I will stop the. To enjoy the ride, I think I have to shut the music and just concentrate on the ride. I'm in third gear, already 110. Oh, I don't know what will happen to my... I think I'll put that inside my t-shirt so that I lose my specs. Hopefully. Correct. Yes. I have put it inside. Shouldn't be some problem. Yeah. Now let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fourth gear. Oh my God. Oh, lovely. 120 already. Oh my goodness. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 140. 140. 140 plus. Already 140, 140, 140. Go to 150. I am able to see a lorry. Nothing ahead. Load me record. It's all clear. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Gear, Lamont 6th gear. Launch, 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 launch. 140, 140. Again, lorry traffic, lorry traffic. You can see some clearance here. Oh my God, man, lovely, 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 lovely. But this is very concrete risky. Let me see, when I get a clear stretch I will rip. Again lorry, lorry here. I'm on 6th gear. Oh man. Come on, let's drive, ride responsibly and sensibly. When only I get a clear stretch I will accelerate, if not no. Now it's not clear stretch. I can see lorry here. So I set my camera. Hopefully the night recording should be good enough. A lot of lights. Now let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, clear stretch, clear stretch. Come on, put it. Come on, come on, good. Yeah. Oh, 140, 140. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I can do. Come on, come on. Oh, it's not clear ahead. Not very clear ahead. Oh, now it's clear. The 6th gear, A mode. Clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it. I can see a lorry, 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 lorry. Sorry, me, lorry. Oh my God, clip it. Beautiful. Lit road, lit road, lit road, lit road. Literally slam the accelerator. See it? Ah, now I can see, now I can see. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. In some lorry traffic, but I could do around 150. That's it, not more than that. Let's see if I get a clear stretch again. Oh my goodness, this is lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, woo. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I think it is clear after this lorry. Let's clip it, let's clip it. 6th gear A mode, full power mode. Full power mode and clarity of the road is there. Come on, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it. Clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it. 150. 160. 170. That's enough. Further ahead I don't know because of night time. So come on, come on, come on. Woo, woo. Lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it. Oh, lovely, lovely. Lovely ride, lovely ride. come on, be careful, be careful. Traffic is there, traffic is more, traffic is more. La 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 la. Sixth gear. Come on, too many vehicles. Come on, clip it, clip it, clip it, get up it. Come on, come on. Too many vehicles ahead. It's not easy to filter through because it is risky. We cannot gauge the speed they are coming in, and then there will be difficult to cut across. Now I think I got a clear stretch. Let's clip it. Let's clip. Let me see. Yeah. Now the stretch is okay. Okay to ride. Okay to ride. Okay to ride. But again, clipping might not be easy. Sixth gear. Fifth gear. Come on. Come on. Come on. 120, 130. But again, lorry. Again. But this is a lovely ride, man. I love this stretch. Come on, now I got another clear stretch to rape. Tarate, la 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 la, tarate. Dandina da 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 da. Tarate. Let's see another stretch, another stretch. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 da la 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 da do la 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 la. Clip it, 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 clip it. La da do la 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 la. La 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 la. Io voglio giove e ne pati murare. Anneliana sogam ego engade enanbe engade. ஈரமான ரோஜாவே என்னை பார்த்து மூடாதே. टोल गेट வந்தது. टोल गेट आ गया है अभी. कौन टोल गेट से धीरे से निकलते हैं. 6 गियर से डाउन करो, डाउन करो, डाउन करो. 3rd में, 2 में और 1 में आ जाओ ताकि आराम से निकल जाए. चलो भाई टोल गेट आ गया. रिकॉर्ड करते चलो, रिकॉर्ड करते चलो. चलो 170 तो मार दिया आज. चलो मज़ा आ गया. चलो भाई मज़ा आ गया. कैसे हो मौजे में, कैसे हो जूते में. 170 190 वहाँ मारा, 200 मारा. 220 तक गया. उसके बाद तो वेंट. दैट वुड बी वेरी डेंजरस. मौत कारी है आयुर्वेद 293. ओहो मौत आनी है आएगी एक दिन. जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन. मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना. यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जिंदगी एक सफ़र है सुहाना. यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. उड़लरी 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 ओ उड़लरी उड़लरी ओ उड़लरी 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 ओ उड़लरी उड़लरी ओ. आदानी है आएगी एक दिन. जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन. मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना. यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जिंदगी सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। उड़लरी 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 ओ, उड़लरी उड़लरी ओ, उड़लरी 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 ओ, उड़लरी उड़लरी ओ, ला 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 ला, ला 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 ला, ला 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 ला। अभी न जाओ छोड़ के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी अभी तो आई हो बहार बन के छाई हो। हवा जरा महक तो ले, ये दिल जरा बहक तो ले, ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा। हवा एक तो ले जरा, हो नशे के घूंट पी तो लूं, नशे के घूंट पी तो लूं। यही कहोगे तुम सदा, ये दिल नहीं भरा। अभी ना जाओ छोड़ के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी अभी तो आई हो सवाल बन के छाए। तू तोले दिल भरा महक तोले, ये शाम डल तोले। Come on, come on. 140, 140, 140, 140, 140. La 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 la. Sexy, sexy, oh sexy. La 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 la, sexy rider. ये शाम डल तोले जरा जरा, दिल मना मचल तोले जरा। हवा हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग, हवा के साथ साथ घटा के संग संग। तो साथी चल मुझे के साथ चल, तो मेरे हाथों में हाथ चल, तो संभल मेरे साथ चल, तो ला 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 ला। ओ साथी चल, एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना, पापा पापा फिर मेरे ला 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 ला। पर्वत के आगे से तरसे जाना बन के बादल। तो साथी चल मुझे के साथ चल, तो यूं ही दिन रात चल, तो संभल मेरे साथ चल, तो मेरे हाथों में हाथ चल, तो एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना, रा बाबा पा ना ला 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 ला। पर्वत के आगे से टकरा जाना बन के बादल। वो साथी चल मुझे के साथ चल, तो ले हाथों में चल, तो संभल मेरे साथ चल, तो यूं ही दिन रात चल, तो साथी चल मुझे के साथ चल, तुम हाथों में हाथ चल, तो संभल मेरे साथ चल, तो यूं ही दिन रात चल, तो साथी चल एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना, पा 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 पा, ला 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 ला। एक तो ये मौसम है बड़ा सुहाना, पा 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 पा।